In this video, I'm going to talk about a feature of Moodle 2 called Message. Message is not an activity or a resource. Rather, it's a way for people who are in Moodle 2 and within your system to communicate with each other. It's kind of like a chat room a little bit, but instead of it being necessarily a chat room, I just can go find a user and send them a message, and they can then send me a message back. To be honest with you, your students are probably going to figure out that they can do this in about 5 minutes once they log into Moodle. It's kind of one of those things that makes Moodle social. Okay. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you how to do this from my home. Okay, and I'm going to use the online users block to find people to talk to. I don't have to use this block anywhere in Moodle that I can find an active user. For example, and when I say active user, I mean I see a person's name, I hover over it, and it lights up as a link. I can send them a message. So don't get sucked into the idea of I just can only use this online users block. Anywhere you can find an active user, you can send them a message. And it's really easy to do. I have this envelope right here. If I hover over it, it says send a message. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's telling me Clark Kent is going to send a message to Angie Moment. And I'm just going to say, hi. Oops. I hit enter. If you hit enter, it'll go down. You have to click send message. Okay, so that message has been sent to Angie. It's giving me a date here. It's giving me a time and some text. While I wait for that to get to Angie, I'm going to go to another feature here that I can play around with. On the left is a contact list. If there's people who I talk to more than others, I can add them to my contact list. And I would do that simply by going to where this particular user is and click add content. And there's my contact right there. Okay. I can also block this contact if I wanted to do that, or if I wanted to delete this person from my contact, I could click this red X right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and refresh my page to see if I've received a message back yet. Hey, and there it is. Okay, so Angie's replied to Clark at this time just by saying hi, Clark. Now, we could go back and forth and have a conversation this way, and that's really what it's intended to do, is to send each other messages back and forth. But again, it is not an activity. It is not a resource. Later, when we get to blocks, we'll show you how to add this block so that students can find this easier if you wanted them to do that. All right, I'm going to go back to my home. And this has been how to use the message feature in Moodle.